S25 Ultra is different, but how different compared to S24 Ultra? Well, there are some major upgrades coming. The most noticeable change is the design, which we'll talk later, because the biggest upgrades we are going to see on S25 Ultra is in the display part. This is the direct comparison between the S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra. There are a few things we need to know. First, S25 Ultra is going to feature a bigger display, 6.9 inches compared to 6.8 inches on S24 Ultra, although the actual size is just 6.86 inches. Second is the middle frame and the bezel size of S25 Ultra. There's a big gap between these two phones. There's a little to no middle frame on S25 Ultra compared to thick middle frame on S24 Ultra. Now one must say, why it matters? Well, it does matter because S24 Ultra is less wider compared to the S24 Ultra, which makes it easier to hold. Both middle frame and bezel size plays a major role of reducing the wider profile. Third is the new panel M14. This is one of the best displays from Samsung. S24 Ultra came with a 2600 nits of peak brightness, but S25 Ultra is keeping it one step ahead with a 3000 nits of peak brightness. Now one must say there was some big issues with the S24 Ultra display, like the gray display and all, but all of those issues are about to get fixed with the new M14 panels. So no worries, but if you are thinking about the GG armor and anti-reflective coating, don't worry, we're going to see the exact same tech in the S25 Ultra. Before moving on, Samsung is offering big deals on Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra, up to $800 trade-in value and 50% off on Tab accessories and Tab cases. You can avail the deals from a prior listed in this video. S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra looks different because the design is different. It's rounded on S25 Ultra compared to squared shape on S24 Ultra. There are some key points I want to share with you. It's true, Samsung is making a rounded phone, but it is not as rounded as other flagship phones and even different from the base model S24 or S24 Plus. Samsung barely removed the sharp corners on S25 Ultra, and you can clearly see the difference between the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra screen protectors. The sides are also going on a flatter side compared to slightly curved on the S24 Ultra. And one major change in the design is the back cameras. It is now confirmed Samsung would go with the Z Fold 6 camera design and not like the S24 Ultra. Some people like this design and some people don't, but keep in mind, it will not look exactly same as Z Fold 6. Maybe Samsung would give a slightly better camera design, but the overall look would be similar. This camera design is also confirmed from a hands-on of S25 Ultra. This is the first ever hands-on look of S25 Ultra, but before forming an opinion that it's just a dummy, hear me out. This is for the case maker of Galaxy S25 Ultra, which means this dummy gets the exact same design as the original S25 Ultra, because the dummy should have the exact same dimensions as the original phone, so this is the final design. Now that we know it's real, let's debunk the design changes. First off, what you can see, S25 Ultra is getting a rounded design, but did you guys notice something? It is rounded, but less rounded compared to the base version of S24 or S24 Plus. Samsung barely removed the sharp corners, which is a good move. Second thing, if you notice or not, this phone is taller, and I mean less wider compared to S24 Ultra. It actually happens because Samsung removed the middle frame on S25 Ultra and reduced the bezel size on S25 Ultra to make it taller. Also, it is worth noting, Samsung makes a sides flat compared to the slightly curved on the S24 Ultra, but these will be titanium just like the S24 Ultra. Also, the thickness is reduced, 8.25mm compared to 8.6mm on S24 Ultra. Remember, if you like S24 Ultra boxier design, you can get big deals right now, which you can check from a prior listed in this video. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.